to another video. It is raining. Headphone users turn your volume down because yeah, this is raining crazily. It's super loud. I don't know what to do. Look at that, guys. That's crazy.
Holy crap! Show them in front of us.
That's in front of
That
us.
is just crazy, guys.
Crazy. We do not know what to do. Yep, she's annoying. Yep, look at her face. Look at that face. Nope. Look at that face. Look at that. Nope. Oh, yeah. We don't know what to do, and we're just trying to stay safe.
I'm gonna get out Mr. Turkey.
Stay safe.
Come here, Mr.
Stay
Turkey.
safe.
I got out Mr. Turkey.
Turkey. He's a turkey. Why is it so light? Yeah, there you go. Why am I pressing on that? That's annoying. Yeah, that's it. No.
Mr. Turkey.
Sorry, that's it.
Turkey.
Well,
Mr.
sorry.
Turkey. Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey.
That's my sister's life right here, and
Mr. Turkey. Mr. Turkey.
okay, that's gonna be the end, guys.
Mr. Turkey.
I just slapped the crap out of my
Mr.
sister.
Turkey.
So bye.
Mr.